Hey guys, in today's review I got something exciting. A Lenovo 9i laptop, 3.2K, 16-inch Intel Evo 185H. Very powerful. Even came with a built-in graphic card. It's a NVIDIA 460 graphic card. So I'm very excited. I needed something more powerful, more bigger screen in real estate, because you can see this laptop, I've been working on it for a while. I had it for about 4 years, and just looking at the chip, using the benchmark, going from Ultra 9 180, well, going from one i7 1065 G7 to an Ultra 9 185H, it is 120% improvement. That's a big difference. So let's open it and let's see what's in it and see the quality of it, the build. And I got this from Best Buy. It's Black Friday deal. It's an open item, so I was able to save quite a bit of money. So some recommend once in a while check that. Hopefully it's in good shape, but we'll find out. But the last two laptops I bought from Best Buy, they're all open item. They came in pretty good quality, didn't have much issue. So I'm hoping this will be the same here. The guy came, gave it, you have to sign off on it, of course, because it's a big, expensive item. It came wrapped, look, bubble wrap. You want to check, make sure everything's in great condition. And then, so far so good. Looks good. Check the screen. Again, this is this year's model, so this is a lot heavier than the LG Gram I had a couple days ago. I bought an LG Gram, didn't like it, I returned it. It was 17-inch, but wow, look at this thing. Nice, very nice. 2-inch difference, I believe, will make a difference. Look how beautiful that looks. Power up with glowing, vibrant colors. And again, the LG the screen was not as clear as this. This is 3.2K LED, and then the LG was IPS, I believe. So again, I always liked Lenovo. I think the Lenovo build quality is really great. I never had an issue with this. Again, it's 4 years, and I use this thing every day for video editing, spreadsheets, you name it. It lasts for a while. But other than that, let's get the power block. Looks like this one was already charged up. Came with, again, this is nice. So this is like pretty much brand new. You're saving quite a bit of money. And you want to make sure everything looks good. Power block looks brand new. Look at that. But yeah, look at this. Very nice built. It is heavy to drag with you on the airport. I don't recommend it. But again, like I stated, it's the LG Gram is a lot. If you're going for you want something lighter, go with the LG Gram. After a couple hours of usage last night, I just want to go a couple things about the laptop here. The keyboard's very nice. It has a very haptic feel to it. You don't have to press too hard when you type on it. Like the last LG Gram, it was you didn't have that haptic feedback. The spring feel, every time you do type it, you have to really press it down to get an input, keyboard input. This one's actually, again, very nice. The trackpad is also very nice. Here you can see it's in the last four years, they've really done a great job on upgrading that trackpad. As you can see here, I don't have to move much, very sensitive. Just have a really nice feel to it. Not like this one here, it was kind of, I didn't really like it as much. I don't know why. Maybe it's just a larger trackpad and maybe it's just a different coating on top of it, but it just has a very smooth feel to it. As for the speaker's great improvement. It seems to be louder, more surround, because it's coming from underneath. than my old laptop, but compared to the LG Gram, it is a lot better. And again, if you're a video editor, I highly recommend having a great laptop with great speakers, because that will help you know what your audience are listening to when you're editing. And as for the screen, I really like the screen. It's smaller than a 17 inch. It's an inch difference. You can tell a little bit, but going from a 14 to 16, it does make a difference. And if real estate is something that you really want, then I recommend going with the LG Gram. But again, the keyboard for the LG Gram is not the best, and also the screen is not as, this is 3.2K screen, and the LG's is just a 1080p. But if you go for the LG Pro, their screen updates to 3K screen. Again, the LG, the speaker, the trackpad was not as nice, and this is, don't forget, this is a lot heavier too. Better build quality. It uses an aluminum, and the other one I believe is like a magnesium alloy, so it's a lot lighter, more flimsy, more flexible too. You can feel it when you type. It kind of like wiggles the screen, but this one you can see when I type it, it doesn't wiggle the screen because there's so much weight on it. But if lightweight and real estate screen size you want, then I would recommend going with the LG Gram. As for graphic power, this is, of course, since it's thicker, it's going to have a stronger graphic card. It has a GeForce RTX 450, a newer graphic card than the LG if you're going for the Pro. So other than that, I do recommend, you can see this laptop, as you can see, there's, I forgot to mention, speakers here on the side showing up front, and there's speakers on the back underneath here. As for the outputs and inputs, you can see there's a USB, I believe 2 USB-C and then 2 USB. I'll have it listed for you guys here. But yeah, other than that, it's a really nice laptop, but very heavy. There's something that you would not want to drag on vacation. You know, and this is more 14 inch is something you can drag with you on like vacation, and you want to edit video while you're on vacation. But LG Gram also is, you can drag it on vacations really light. Other than that, guys, until next review, I appreciate tuning this in and checking this out with me. So here, guys, I got the US benchmark website pulled up here. Cool about this website is you can take your old laptop chip compared to your new laptop chip. And here on the left is the new Ultra 9-1885H. Has 16 cores. It's a breakdown everything for you. And then my old laptop, Core i7-1065G7, had 4 cores, 8 threads, as you can see. And you can see the speed difference, 79% speed difference. So that makes, I think that was a good level up, good investment. You scroll down further, you can see like the average score, overclock score. So it's got a little bit of everything. It's a little nice website if you ever want to see if it's worth updating your laptop. So again, you can find this here, usbenchmark.com. So here, as you can see, I'm just pulling up, so you guys see the difference between the speed from my prior laptop and the new Lenovo 9i laptop.